Hello everyone. My passion for creation care and its embodiment of God's love has inspired me to join the Laudatosi Action platform here at Holy Cross College for my practicum. Through our 4 minutes journey today, I'll take you through the world of community service with a specific focus on engagement and display the importance of working to build a more connected society. Engaging in community service goes beyond offering a helping hand. It is about leaving a lasting impact and fostering a sense of unity. In the book of Nazareth by Samuels and Marshall Owens, 4 models of engagement are introduced. Their work highlights the difference between working for, working with, being for, and being with the community to grow. Rather than working for as a professional who is paid as a lawyer, as a doctor, and more than simply being with as a listener and as a friend, the Laudatosi Action platform uses the working with method to help communities discover solutions for environmental crisis and to respond to the cry of Mother Earth. This is an example of a unity garden. In the famous encyclical Laudato Si, Pope Francis underscores the urgent need to address ecological crisis in our world. This includes climate change, environmental degradation, and loss of biodiversity. He highlights how human actions have affected the earth and particularly impacted the marginalized. His wish to preserve the earthly habitat for all illustrates interconnectedness of everything in our universe, no matter how big or small. While we haven't had many engagements in South Bend itself, we still meet weekly to give our suggestions and what we think should be done for the South Bend community. It is in these meetings that I was able to share the works we've done back home in Uganda under the Laudato Youth initiative. I was able to share with the group members the current campaign of planting 1 million trees in Uganda, and we are applying the model of working with for this project. By collaborating with volunteers and community members, we foster a sense of shared responsibility and unity. Through partnerships, we aim to address climate change and encourage community involvement and finding solutions. As a practicum student with the Laudatosi Action platform, I will inspire volunteers and raise awareness about climate change. I will also encourage people around me to take part in a 1 million tree planting campaign. Imagine hundreds of young people leading the way.
United for climate action!
I chose to focus on Laudato Si in schools because Pope Francis calls to respond to the cry of Mother Earth. Through the Laudato Youth, we use media and participatory communication to inspire climate action in schools, churches, and communities. This effort cuts across and inspires leaders and community to unite. Let's therefore embody the spirit of service and compassion. Join me on this journey of connecting for a climate action campaign, fostering empowerment and positive change through the 4 models of engagement as inspired by Nazareth. Thank you for watching. Let's unite for climate action. Also, feel free to ask me any question about the Laudato Si 1 million tree planting drive. Together, we can make a difference. See you there.